I have eaten breakfast. I have eaten breakfast. I have drunk some water. I have drunk some water. I have finished my work. I have finished my work. I have learned a lot today. I have learned a lot today. I have cleaned the kitchen. I have cleaned the kitchen. I have washed the dishes. I have washed the dishes. I have taken a shower. I have taken a shower. I have brushed my teeth. I have brushed my teeth. I have gone to the store. I have gone to the store. I have bought some food. I have bought some food. I have paid the bill. I have paid the bill. I have walked to work. I have walked to work. I have sent an email. I have sent an email. I have called my friend. I have called my friend. I have watched a movie. I have watched a movie. I have listened to music. I have listened to music. I have worked all day. I have worked all day. I have taken a break. I have taken a break. I have been very busy. I have been very busy. I have felt tired today. I have felt tired today. I have slept well. I have slept well. I have woken up early. I have woken up early. I have stayed at home. I have stayed at home. I have arrived on time. I have arrived on time. I have left the house. I have left the house. I have packed my bag. I have packed my bag. I have lost my keys. I have lost my keys. I have found them again. I have found them again.